Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Children, now let us discuss about botanical gardens. Botanical garden, also called as Botanica garden, originally a collection of living plants designated chiefly to illustrate relationship within the plant groups. A display garden that concentrates on woody plants like herbs and trees is often referred to as an arboretum. These specialized gardens have collections of living plants for reference. Plant specimens in these gardens are grown for identification purpose, and each plant is labeled indicating its botanical and scientific name and its family. The famous botanical gardens are at New England, Kew England, and Indian Botanical Garden at Howrah, and National Botanical Research Institute at Lucknow. The botanical gardens are institutions holding document collections of living plants for the purpose of scientific research, conservation, display, and education. Now let us study the history of botanical gardens. Gardens are the cultivation of plants have been around for thousands of years, with the first examples dating to around 3000 years ago in the ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia. However, the first true botanic gardens with an understanding scientific foundations were the Uffizi Gardens of Italy created in 16th and 17th centuries. The first of these Uffizi Gardens was the garden of the University of Pisa, which was created by Luca Gini in 1543. Following this, other Italian universities followed suit and gardens were created in Padova 1545, Firenze 1545, and Bologna 1547. These gardens were purely for the academic study of medicinal plants. By the 16th century, these medicinal gardens had spread to universities and apothecaries throughout the Central Europe, such as Cologne and Prague. Botanic gardens then experienced a change in using during the 16th and 17th century. This was the age of exploration and the beginnings of the international trade. Gardens such as Royal Botanic Gardens, Kew, and the Real Jardin Botanical were the set up to dry and cultivate new species that were being brought back from expeditions to the tropics. Not only did these gardens promote and encourage botanical exploration in these tropics, they also helped found new gardens in the tropical regions to help cultivate these newly discovered plant species. During the 19th and 20th century, municipal and civic gardens were created throughout the Europe and the British Commonwealth. Nearly all over these gardens were pleasure gardens, with very few of them having any scientific programs. Mysore Botanical Garden is an exception to this and was among the first botanic gardens to be established in USA in 1859. In the last 50 years, botanic gardens have seen a revival as scientific institutions due to the emergence of conservation movement. They are recognized as being extremely important to conservation due to their existing collections and the scientific knowledge they possess in the propagation of plant species. There are now currently 1775 botanical gardens and arboreta in 148 countries around the world, with many more under constructions or being planned. You can use your garden search data to search the botanical gardens by keywords or country. Now let us discuss the role of botanic gardens. Botanic gardens have had a changing role throughout history, and they continue to adapt and serve the needs of society as new challenges arise. Being major tourist destinations, attracting an estimated 500 million visitors each year. There are important contributes to local and national economics. They also provide many benefits to the society, such as having a positive impact on mental and physical health, particularly in urban settings where the majority of botanic gardens are situated. As illustrated above, botanic gardens have in more recently years become key players in both the conservation of plants and in the education of the people who come to see them. Several botanic garden activities are important for the conservation of plants around the world, including horticulture and cultivation skills allow botanic gardens to grow plants and might be also in the wild. Living collections and seed banks safeguard species and enable the restoration and rehabilitation of degraded habitats. Research and development into plant taxonomy and genetics, cytochemistry, useful plant properties and information, selection of plants that can be withstand degraded and changing environments. Especially important with the threat posed by climate changes. Education is a strength of botanic gardens that allow them to communicate the importance of conserving plants, reaching out to diverse audience, and also to communicate how this may be achieved. Linking plants with the well-being of people and also helping conserve indigenous and local knowledge to encourage the sustainable use of plant resource for the benefit of all as a part of sustainable development. Children, the world's largest botanical garden is Royal Botanical Garden in Kew, England, known as the largest botanical garden in the world also. This consists of 300-acre garden near London, is the home to the world's biggest collection of living plants. Thank you.